crews are being prepared, your lordship, is under.
And what about
And
the
it's
recruitment
being
process?
query, your lordship, that instruction has not come, your lordship.
Ms.
No.
Sri Bumsahari, Learned Council for the Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, submits that she be granted for 2 weeks' time to complete her instructions in terms of the queries raised by this court-wide order dated 26/2025. Mr. M. Bhagavati, Learned Council for the petitioner is present. Raised to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Pass already.
Like,
Pension, non-payment of family pension, my lord. Non-payment of family pension, my lord. And the husband of the petitioner serving master role worker, my lord, in the year 1981, my lord. And subsequently, he died on
They do sound
2/12/2004.
Register number the query.
Yes, ma'am. There is some problem with the sound.
Oh.
I'm not hearing it.
who said 27th of Professor? I don't know.
Going on, my lord, 16/10/2019, my lord, and thereafter he died on, my lord, 2/12/2004, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, his service was regularized with effect from 22/7/2005, my lord. And thereafter, my
How
lord,
can that service be regularized on 22/7/2005 when the man is not dead?
lord, after death, my lord,
It
regularized,
was not regularized from the date of his death.
my lord.
It was regularized prospectively. Whether that would be applicable.
But in summer similar circumstances, this honorable coordinate bench of this honorable pass order, my lord, and this is page 29.
Yes, no appeal against this order.
My lord, I will distinguish. Here a person, the writ petitioner, he died prior to, my lord, 8 months prior to.
In this case,
No,
in
he
this,
died there.
no. In this case,
My
he
lord.
retired on 31/8/24. You regularized him in 25. 2005.
My lord, now I am, let him complete, my lord, I will.
He is completed. You
My
tell
lord,
me.
my lord. My lord will see just his page number 19, my lord. That is his death certificate, 2/12/2004. So, my lord, 8 months prior to the regularization. The regularization, what happened, my lord? This process was on, my lord, prior to 2004, almost 2 years. His name was there in the list.
I got it.
My lord, what happens after this regularization order? He has to, my lord, every master worker, they have to give fitness certificate. After that only, my lord, that regularization, the department would have passed, my lord, this regularization order. That is not there. And one year, my lord, if you go by pension rule, 1 year he has to be there in the job.
Mr. Thor
My lord,
accepted everything.
my lord,
Now, the facts of the coordinate bench judgment
my lord,
is that he was also a master roll worker.
my lord,
He retired on 31/8/2004.
my lord.
Died on 28/5/2005. Thereafter, the order of regularization was passed on 22/7/2005. Similar. You have accepted this judgment. Why should we deny this benefit to him? You come to page 31.
Second thing, my lord, this person, my lord, he had a, my lord, service book.
That is immaterial. That is immaterial, Mister. We are not going into that. Service book will be opened when he is regularized.
My lord.
Before that, how can you? Now tell me, why this benefit should not also be extended. You have not filed an appeal here. This is an order of 2023.
My lord, his service book was prepared in 1994.
Be that as it may, whether service book preparation will give him any right? Will it give him any right? Whether only the service book preparation a person's service can be regularized? Admittedly, the regularization is after the retirement. And that too not retrospectively, prospectively. Mr. Thor, apply your mind. We are not disposing of the matter today because
Actually,
has the pensionary benefits been released to that person?
no,
Petitioners, family.
I have not.
my lord, here there is no positive direction that pension has to be given.
Yes. Yes.
Where I my lord, page 39. Page 39, my lord. Accordingly, the instant petition therefore stands disposed of with the following.
The only direction was his entitlement was held to be, he was entitled, but there was a shortage of 1 month. So that was directed to be condoned by applying Rule 67. And thereafter, the family pension was directed to be released. The orders are at page 39. So this order came to be passed by reckoning that he is entitled.
But my lord,
And
still my submission is.
You
Yes.
take him out, you make your submissions, show decisions that decision is wrong per inquiry.
My
Ardhar Learned Standing Council, Sericulture Department. Also, Mr. Ardhar, the heard the parties at length. Mr. Ardhar Learned Standing Council, Sericulture Department submits that he be given 2 weeks' time to make his submissions with regard to the applicability of the decision of the coordinate bench rendered in WPC number 1852/2018 to the facts of the present case. Also, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it for further hearing. Mr. Dhar,
my lord. Yes, my lord.
it's not
My lord.
that simple.
Huh?
23, you have allowed that order to stand. Now you cannot take a contrary view.
No.
And if that order
No, I will
is
try
to be passed, you will be in trouble.
My lord, I will try to distinguish both the cases.
You cannot. You cannot. A person who is already gone in 2004 from his service, regularization orders come prospectively in July 2005. How could it be made applicable retrospectively? If it is made applicable in his case, it has to be made applicable in his case also. And receive instructions whether that pension has been released or whether you have filed any appeal.
May I finish the loss? My lord,
Yes, Mr. Chakraborty, what has
2
happened?
lakhs has been
Huh?
deposited lots. 2 lakhs deposited lots.
Deposited. And where is the
No,
schedule?
others, that instruction I have not received. lots.
why? But there were two
clearly indicated lots.
aspects. Why the second aspect has not come?
3 weeks time lots.
No.
In the instruction.
No, I want the schedule. You have received that amount?
Yeah, on 14 received.
In terms of the directions passed by this court, why the order dated 23/6/2025, the Learning Council for the parties have submitted that an amount of rupees 2 lakhs has already been deposited in the account of the petitioner. Also, Mr. Chakraborty, Learning Council, appearing for the respondent, submit that he be granted a week's time
3 weeks.
to, week's time to place before this court the schedule for payment of the remaining receivable dues, pensionary dues of the petitioner. The registry to list this matter again on 28/7/2025, on which date, On the next date of listing, Mr. Chakraborty shall invariably place before this court the schedule as indicated herein above.
Deputy applies.
So you got 2 lakhs, relax now.
Yes, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, the department has requested for a week's time to comply with your lordship's order.
Week's time,
Week's
no
time.
problem.
Fine.
We'll give. Heard Mr. T.J. Monto, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Islam. Also heard Ms. D. Musahari, learned standing counsel,
Secondary education.
secondary education department. Ms. Musahari submits that the respondents be granted per 1 week time to comply with the directions passed by this court widely order dated 18/6/2025. Full stop. Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 28/7/2025. Full stop. On which date? Full stop. On the next date of listing, Ms. Mushahari shall place before this court the compliance report.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, matter after some time.
Today, after some time, will not be possible. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter after week on a date to be fixed by.
You are supposed to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes, you are filing affidavit.
Yes, I will receive it today, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. B. Chetri, on the prayer of Mr. I. Bothakur, learned counsel appearing for the standing counsel PHA department, the registry to list this matter again on when?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
Why?
4th of August.
On 4/8/2025. These matters, you are just allowing it to remain like this. Your wish.
May I please, your lord?
Yes, what happened?
My lord,
Yeah, in the Hailakandi districts, there were several petitioners were there. So the proposal has been received from the district level also. It is in the directorate. Now it is under scrutiny.
What scrutiny? Your order is
The
there.
order is there, Lord.
He is entitled.
Yes, from
Then?
1/11/2020, they are entitled, Lordship.
Huh.
And that is under process, Lordship. Now, once that process is over, it will be forwarded to the government for necessary sanctions. So, Lordship.
What? I don't understand this.
After-
You yourself regularized him with 1/1/20,
But,
1/11/2020.
Lordship.
And why this delay in making that payment?
Lordship, that proposal was supposed to be sent from the, there were some,
This order is of 22.
Lordship. Lordship, we fix after 4 weeks, Lordship.
No.
By the time perhaps we will have some complete.
No.
inspection, Lordship.
I want.
Because it has to be.
When did you receive the proposal?
I just received a telephonic instruction.
You
Lordship.
get your complete instructions.
Lordship, that is why, Lordship.
The time within which this will be released to him
Lordship.
on the next date. Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition of the standing counsel, elementary education
Lordship,
department,
Lordship.
submits that he be granted time till 25/7/2025 to apprise this court as to the time period within which the areas or areas of salaries of the petitioners would be released. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 25/7/2025. I want a fixed date.
Lordship. Admittedly, they are getting the current salary,
That is not nothing.
Yes,
You're
yes.
not giving him anything.
Lordship.
That is his right.
Definitely.
On the next date, I want a date within which you will clear the payments. And Mr. Sharma,
Lordship.
why this delay further? You have issued this order after the approval of the Finance EC2 department. And still you're not releasing. Why? See the order.
Lordship, that order is there, Lordship.
So I want that firm date. No hanky panky.
Lordship.
Firm date. Yes, what happened here?
Here, that proposal is being sent to the government, Lordship.
Oh, you are the government.
No,
Show me.
this is instruction from the directorate, Lordship.
You're not for the government.
I am from the government
Then?
also.
Why not an amalgamated?
No, Lordship, this proposal is being sent today, Lordship.
Also, Mr. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department on instruction submit that the proposal for release of the area salaries of the petitioners have been forwarded to the government in the Department of School Education by the Director of Elementary Education Assam on 18/7/2025. He submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to complete, to receive instructions as regards the further processing made in the matter by the Department of School Education, Assam. Also, registry to list this matter again on 8/8/2025, on which the Mr. Sharma shall apprise this court as to the time period within which the arrears of salary of the petitioner would be released.
Right.
May it be noted. In this case, the petitioners were working as contractual lecturer in the Tinsukia Commerce College. Lordship,
What is your prayer?
my prayer is actually I have to set up text pass, otherwise the prayer cannot be-
Don't worry, we also read. So to take it.
Oh,
You are a contractual
yes,
appointee.
Lord.
You were continuing. There were orders from the government that no further contractual appointment should be made against non-existent posts.
Yes, sir.
That means a non-sanctioned post concept was given a go by. You admittedly are not against a sanctioned post.
Yes.
But the college authorities in their own wisdom, because they were paying you from the resources generated by them. Now that resources has depleted because government has come up with a policy, no fee.
Yes.
So they offered you an 89-day appointment. Appointment for 89 days. You did not accept it. Right?
Right.
29/9/23 is the date of that order. So basically, it's an extension of your contractual appointment for further 89 days.
Yes.
You filed this case on 25/10/2024. Now show me on the date you filed this case, there was any order continuing in the contractual appointment.
No.
Then your case is that if the government takes a policy to regularize the services of contractual appointees, you will lose out. That cannot be a ground.
That is different losses. What I am saying here, the college is taking different attitude to different employees because in
We
my-
are only concerned with these two people now.
yes, Lordship.
Have you alleged bias, malafide
Yes.
against anyone? Who
Because-
is there by name?
Lordship may see my para 13 at page 15.
13.
Yes,
Para 13.
page 15.
This is the facts basically, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, sir. Then the witness says that there are 4 numbers of contractual faculties in the commerce stream of the college, but on 29/9/23, resolution number 3 issued appointment order only to.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, why Divakar seal was left out from 89 days?
My lord.
Why Divakar seal was left out? You have filed an affidavit.
Yes, yes.
What is the reply to para
There is
13?
no reply on this point.
No reply. Mr. Divakar seal is still continuing.
Yes, sir.
And what about the other two? One is before us,
One is before. us,
two
the
is
other one-
before us.
The other one did not continue. Lordship. He
Huh?
he is not filing any case also.
He left.
He left.
Para 13. A para-wise reply has not been given. There are two affidavits or one affidavit?
There are
affidavits,
two
one by
affidavits.
number, resolution number 3, one by resolution number
One is for the, my lord, president of the GP
Same.
and one is for the principal.
Condensor cell.
And where is the first one?
That starts at page 92, my lord. .
Chaudhary, can you just have a telephonic inspection?
Yes.
We'll come, we'll
10
take
minutes,
it after some time. maybe.
My-
Because there is a statement in one of the affidavits filed by you that barring the three people, two petitioners and one more,
My lord.
all others have accepted this 89 days.
Yes.
Just get a clarification on that. Mr. Sharma, after some time. Moment you have the clarification, Mr. Chaudhary,
My-
inform the court master.
May I please, your lordship?
Well,
Lordship, I kindly peruse the last order, 16/6/2025, passed by your lordship.
No, no decision has been taken, Lordship.
Why?
They say one communication. Lordship.
Yesterday we allowed
Okay.
one of the
But-
cases.
Lordship, that may be the
Same thing.
same thing. Same thing. That, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Lordship, 2 or 3 dates may be.
Hmm?
2 or 3 dates may be recorded, Lordship.
Hmm.
Enquiry report furnished to the petitioner on 23/4/2025.
23/4/2025.
Representation submitted by the petition against the enquiry report 8/5/2025. And send it to the government on 26/5/2025.
And sent to the government on
26/5/2025. Principal Secretary, Revenue Department. By the DLR.
who is the DLR is the appointing authority. Okay. Heard Mr. P.P. Bhattakur, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Doctor, learned standing counsel, revenue and disaster management. Hearing concluded, registry to list this matter again on Monday by slip window for delivery of orders. I'm dictating one. I've just finished it. Typing is on. So same thing will be followed here. So I'll-
Same judgment, I'm relaxed.
Same thing.
Obliged.
Mr. Bhattakur, can you just give me a small note? Date of suspension, date of, can just give it to her. Today or tomorrow morning?
I'll, today.
Lordship, my senior is on legs. Lordship. So may kindly pass out a matter for the timing.
Item number? Okay. Here the pleadings are complete. It's with
Yes.
regard to a disciplinary action. We'll consider it. We'll hear it. We'll admit it. We'll consider it. Your name?
P. Khatonia.
P. Thakuria.
Khatonia.
Khatonia, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned
All right.
additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondent. It is stated at the bar that the pleadings in the matter is complete. So accordingly, the writ petition stands admitted. Registry, no fresh notice is required to be issued as all the respondents are represented. Registry to list this matter for hearing in the month of September 2025. This person had another case against him with regard to one death of one rhino. Yes, Mr. Deka.
Your Lordship,
Gyana Chanjan Das, very familiar name to me.
okay,
I think he had another case wherein a rhino was found dead within his jurisdiction.
perhaps your Lordship, that instruction I don't have. Your Lordship.
Registry to list this matter before any other bench without me. Huh? Munam Tuti.
Your Lordship, may I submit, Your Lordship, let the matter be fixed on this Monday, Your Lordship.
I can't, when I'm not taking it up.
Yes.
He was my client in all probability.
Oh, yes. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
The name is very different, so we remember.
Much obliged.
17, no?
They were supposed to bring instruction, Lord. Instruction received, Lordship. I will furnish, Lordship. I'll fix the matter after 2 weeks, Lordship. I will furnish.
Okay. There is a saying in Hindi, na Mia Bibi Raji to karega kya kaji, na same thing. Otherwise, I would have finished off this matter today itself. Okay. Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned Counsel, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the respondent,
Board and
submits,
five.
submits that he has received the instructions and would be filing his affidavit in the matter within 2 weeks.
Not received, Lord. Instruction not received.
Or submits that the instructions in the matter is awaited and prays that the matter be taken up after 2 weeks. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. Dr. G. J. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed, right? There was a genuine reason behind his absence. The others have been permitted to continue. You have terminated him. There is no order of termination. You have asked him, don't come within the currency of that contractual period. How?
It is a
Let's see.
Our investor filing what will allow me to each time to file my reply.
Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file a rejoinder on behalf of the respondent, on behalf of the petitioner against the affidavit filed by the respondent. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. A registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be filed. That 7 lakhs rupees has been given.
24 lakhs.
No, there was a gap of 7 lakhs. All full money has been received by you.
No, Lordship, we have received the benefit from the state with the processing and all the process has been under process, so we'll require some time to.
No. Have you received the total pension contribution, leave salary contribution from the state government?
That instruction is still.
24 lakhs they have received.
Received. They say 7 lakhs is,
They are keeping it, man.
this is going too much. Take your call.
Lordship.
Mr. Bora is taking a time, so we are not coming in today. But I think her entitlement is being delayed
Will take.
unnecessarily. Get my point?
Lordship.
And when it is between two governments, you are from under the central government.
Lordship.
Where is this question of all this money transfer, this, that? You make the payment, make the clear. Why should the lady suffer?
So we'll make.
Almost
Mr. Bora, you file your affidavit immediately.
almost a year has come there. They have been kept and they are enjoying the interest on 24 lakhs.
No, that money cannot be released to you. That will be accumulated and the pension would be calculated, and 1 year your husband would get lifetime arrears and thereafter family pension for you. We'll see.
Lordship.
Much
out.
I'm sorry, Achievement.
Mr. S.K. Medi, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel, AG, Assam, Accountant General, Assam is present.
Lordship, in this matter, we have seeking 1 week time already.
12 and 13. Mr. Mukugan, 12 and 13. Mr. Chaudhary, what is your instruction?
The instruction is that with Diwakar Seal, he was regularly appointed against a non-sanction post.
Hmm.
And since his appointment, he is continuing now, his minor appointment is pending before the government for regularization.
He was selected by way
Yes.
of an interview
Yes,
and all those.
yes, madam.
So,
And these people, madam, they were just picked out, madam,
Picked
for
up
help,
for the-
helping the college members at the time. madam.
yes, Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say?
I have to take instruction whether his statement is correct or wrong, because
On the prayer of Mr. Mr. R. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. G. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents number
Response numbers, my lord.
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Full stop. Hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to list this matter again on Thursday next. Brihaspativar. Mr. Thursday will be
My lord.
fine.
Thursday, my lord.
24
Yes, my lord, I'll be there.
on 24.
I have problem.
23/7/2025
My
for further hearing.
I'm delighted.
Ready, ba? Mr. Sharma,
Yes, sir.
it's only on that aspect
Yes,
that I have,
I shall take
otherwise
action.
you will have to interfere.
Yes.
Lord, in this matter, there is some development. the GMC, they have sought for a, this thing, report from the GMC, and I think it will be given shortly. And my lord, his case will be considered shortly.
No. What? GMC authorities have assessed him at 45%. What more is required? Why is the appointment not being made?
My lord,
Your assessment in the reassessment process is 45%.
45%.
Then
In the second round of
But,
litigation, your lordship.
they have
how
to-
long?
My lord, a week's time, I think.
No,
next week-
no week's time.
But today is Friday.
Today I'm not sitting
No,
after 1
uh,
because we have a reference.
Today is Friday,
We'll have it on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Man. That's what I mean.
On the prayer of Mr. A. Fukan Leonard, Standing Council, Elementary Education Department. Right?
None.
Submits that the case of the petitioner is under process for issuance of appointment orders to him and submits and prays that he be granted time till 23/7/2025 to apprise this court about the developments taking place in the matter. Full stop. Mr. Fukan shall apprise this court as to why shall also apprise this court as to why even after the assessment of the petitioner's disability at 45% by the committee constituted in the matter, the appointment orders to the petitioner has not been issued till date. Registered to list this matter again on 23/7/2025 24/7/2025 for further hearing.
Lordship, pendency shall not be,
24/7/20 further hearing.
Lordship, pendency shall not be barred, your lordship.
What more is required? I've written everything.
Oblige.
May it please.
Hmm.
Lordship pertains to reinstatement in service, Lordship. Suspended on 1/10/2023. Thereafter, notice was issued on, so-called notice was issued on 9/11/2023. And then.
Same thing.
Lordship,
Well, Lordship, in
14/5.
this case, we have not received instruction because he has not furnished
Miss-
extra copies, Lordship.
Mr. S. Dr. Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Council, Revenue and Disaster. Right? Management Department submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to receive instructions in the matter. Full stop. Ms. T. Som, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Full stop. Should I write that you should give him extra copies? Or you will give him? Give it. I'll not write.
This Wednesday, Lordship, because
Let him have his instructions.
if the course of the day today.
He will have to send. Tomorrow is a holiday, the tomorrow working, day after tomorrow holiday. We'll have it on 37/20. Raise it to list this matter again on 37/20. You get your instruction. I think it's the same thing.
Lordship,
We'll interfere.
Lordship.
We'll interfere, ma'am. Just wait for a date. Mr. Khatoniar, Mr. Chaudhary, what is this pran kit?
My lord, permanent.
No, I know that. I know the pran. But what is that kit for which you are denied? Who is there for the respondents? Yes, Mr. Khatoniar. Mr. Fukan, who is appearing? I give them a copy of the writ petition. You have a copy of the writ petition? What is it? Why is our NPS contributions not being released? Some pran kit is not there. How can this lady know what is this pran kit and not? What are you doing?
Lordship, we have written to the department, my lord. We are awaiting instruction. My lord. It's a 25
We
matter. my lord.
can't allow you. This money is of the petitioner
It's
is
a
lying.
25 matter, my lord.
25 matter what
25
happens? It's pension.
My lord.
If it is pension, this court is in tension.
My lord, in the next date, I'll, Lordship, give us some time.
Mr.
Get
A.
us-
Fukan, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department submits that he would complete his instructions in the matter and apprise his court as to why the pension benefits of the petitioner is not being released to her on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on 31/7/2025.
Well,
Date.
keep your-
Mr. Chaudhary, what are you? Oh, Mr. Das, yes.
Hello, this appointment on compassionate appointment in the year 2017. They are saying the prior approval was not taken. He is working since 2017. It's a totally different scheme, my lord. Under this scheme, my lord, if your lordship kindly see that scheme. Scheme is at page 104. And the committee who selected, my lord, chief secretary, finance secretary, everybody is there.
Mr.
This,
Barpujari accepted that maybe before the appointment, an approval from the finance was required. But admittedly here, he was not appointed against any non-existent post. Because once the committee, state level committee headed by this chief secretary approves, that it will be approved, we'll deem it that it is approved against an approved post. Now the procedure followed in other departments is that for the release of the first salary, SIU approval is required. In this case, that was given. Maybe a little bit delayed. The right of the petitioner, nobody is questioning because it has gone through the DLC, SLC, and then this. Why are you rejecting it, putting him into trouble?
and moreover, my lord, that office memorandum, your lordship will get it at 104.
I was
That's a-
about to,
That is for appointment of on compulsion. It's a totally different scheme, my lord. The 2012 memorandum which they are referring to, that prior approval is.
Your father had died on
My lord, died on, my lord, was 7/11/12.
12.
Yes.
So the law is on the death of death, whatever scheme is in operation,
Yes.
that will be there.
Yes.
So 15 will not come in.
My lord, before, otherwise also because his appointment is 2017.
The
Yes.
scheme that
Prior
is
to-
there, because the Supreme Court has now come in saying that the date of consideration is not fixed. The only fixed parameter is the date of death of the government employee. So
Well,
it will be the scheme that is operating on that day that will hold the field.
My lord, I did not get it.
92.
I'll check it up.
Page 92 scheme
Yes. 92
is the office memorandum.
That is the office memorandum regarding general, my lord.
General.
General. This
Once
not
he is,
professional.
once he is recommended by the body
Then he's
consisting of the
working,
chief
man.
secretary, why this ex post fact? We have this concept of ex post facto.
there are office memorandum. In fact, my lord, I was about to make a prayer. My senior colleague has started. I am seeking a short accommodation of this matter today. My colleague P. Gogoi, he sees of this matter, my lord. Any date till next week, my lord.
My lord, next
He will
week,
argue.
he's not getting his salary.
See, this boy is appointed on compassionate grounds. If you don't pay him his salary, the very idea behind appointing him is defeated.
I
3
can
months he
understand, even their materials.
He only got salary for 3 months, that too because of the respondents.
That is understood. Even my lordship will kindly see SLC approval is there. It is the highest body. Rightly, wrongly approval is there. That is not questioned. That has attained finality. Now, on that count, my colleague will address, my lord. On technical parameters, I can understand, my lord. This repetition.
And
has
they
been
have given
resisted.
this, when was the appointment in 17?
17.
They have given this format, signature in 19. There was some delay, but he is not to be
Blamed for.
held responsible for that.
Therefore, my lord, our affidavit would go to show,
And
my lord, that we have requested, in fact, asked, my lord, the administrative department.
No.
That is the
No.
revenue department.
no,
To initiate.
you have
proceedings.
gone beyond that. You have said, how could he be appointed?
Yes,
How can you question that? Who are you to question that?
my colleague will address, my lord.
Who are you to
Yes,
question
yes.
that? That's a separate body. They said after long period of, you have referred to deposit, that Devobroto Tiwari and all those things will have got no application here.
Those things are there, my lord. I am not on that. My
You
only.
get me the instruction why the ex post facto approval should not be given.
Lordship may be pleased.
On the next date, we'll pass orders on this.
Lordship may be pleased to.
When
observe
Mr.
that.
Das,
Any time. Next.
Mr. R. Barpujari, heard Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior
Interim order.
Counsel, assisted by Ms. M.S. R. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Barpujari, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel, Finance Department. Mr. Barpujari submits that he be granted a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter.
They filed affidavit.
We have filed.
Submits that the matter is being handled by Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General. However, on account of certain personal inconvenience, he is not in a position to address this court today. So accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up on, give me a date,
Yes, my lord. Next Wednesday, my lord.
on 23/7/2025.
Yes.
Full stop. Accordingly, prayer accepted. Accordingly, registered to list this matter again on 23/7/2025. on which date an endeavor would be made to dispose of the present.
Yes,
Bibliography.
and so, like,
Here the matter has become infructuous because petitioner has been given the post that she had been.
Rightly so.
Right. So I have
Because
the-
why I'm telling you, there was an order,
Lordship.
first order, posting him in LGB Guwahati.
Lordship.
That order is in terms of the promotion committee recommendation
Lordship.
and the approval of the government on 21/6.
Lordship.
The second order is again on the promotion committee's recommendation and the government approval of 21/6. Where is the consideration for the change by the competent authority?
Lordship.
On that count itself, the order should go.
Lordship.
So what is the order?
Of the order.
Mr. Khan, you have got it?
Yes, sir. Already I joined. Already I joined and.
You have joined.
Yeah, no, no.
Mr. A. Chalia, Learned Standing Council Health Department submits that the respondent authorities, while an order dated 2/7/2025, have modified the earlier order of transfer of the petitioner dated 25/6/2025 and have permitted the petitioner to continue against the post of matron at LGB Chest Hospital, Guwahati, Kamrup Metro. So, in view of the above position, Mr. Khan submits that no further live issue arises exists for consideration in the present writ petition, and accordingly, the writ petition be closed. This said prayer is not also objected to by Mr. P.R. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 5. So, in view of the above submissions of the Learned Counsel for the parties, the present writ petition stands closed. A copy of the order dated 2/7/2025, furnished by Mr. A. Chalia, is kept on record and marked as X.
My lord, here, my lord, this is judgment of case 13, my lord. Judgment and order dated 9/5/2022. Date, my lord.
What is this? What is this? Who asked you to give us this? We want an order compliance. Why? All these things.
But I am representing the director, and director submitted a proposal to the government for creation of post. Now they have sought from some clarity.
This order is of
2022.
and you're still playing around.
Yes.
Why? Why should we not drop contempt proceedings here? His case was thereafter placed before the SLC.
Yes.
SLC approved it long back ago, and still now you have not taken it to the logical conclusion. 45 days time was given to you in 2022. 3 years down the lane, nothing. So when will the order be issued?
Only difficulty from my part, my lord. I am representing the director, my lord.
Okay, we'll ask the secretary to come then.
Post has to be created by the.
We'll ask the secretary to come because he is 17/7 you have sent this proposal. Who is appearing for the secretary?
Secretary is not a party, my lord, here. Because direction was issued to the director, my lord. That is it.
So it's the director's headache how she does it. We know the director only. Direction is to the director.
Yes, my lord, that is there.
So-
Because without creation of post, my lord, I cannot give the appointment, order of appointment.
Should we create the post for you?
Definitely, government will create, my lord.
Then from 22, the matter is lying like this.
That I understand, my lord.
We'll not permit our orders to be dealt in such manner.
That I understand, my lord.
I can give you time for 10 days. do whatever is required, come back with the order. Orders we are having everybody. Mr. Khatonia, learned, NJ Khatonia, learned counsel appearing for the sole respondent submits that the matter is at a matter for provincialization of past matter for issuance of order submits that the matter processing of the matter for issuance of orders towards provincialization of the services of the petitioner is at an advanced stage, and he submits that the orders would be passed within a period of 2 weeks from today. So, accordingly, he submits a praise that the matter be taken up after 2 weeks, facilitating the respondent to complete the process involved. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter again on Four 8/2025.
Well, kindly have it on 6th, my lord.
6th,
4/5 will not be available. 6th,
We'll have it on 8/8/2025.
my lord.
On which date, invariably, the orders passed towards provincializing the services of the petitioner shall be placed before this court, inasmuch as the directions violation of which is alleged in the proceeding were so issued on 9/5/2022.
Obliged.
I am deep. You can take this back.
My lord, the order otherwise complied with, lordship.
Complied with.
Lordship. The
Where?
direction was, lordship, in paragraph 20 of the lordship. Judgment, lordship, page 28, lordship.
No, you
There is a
have done
request
the
to make an
you have
inquiry.
done the inquiry.
Yes, lordship.
Where a consequential orders have been passed.
Consequences, lordship, in fact, he was asked to appear before the authorities to.
Forget
the
it.
pencil proposals
That
get
those
removed.
things are of past. Inquiry report has come.
Lordship,
Now, what have you done after that?
we have requested him to come to the office of the chief engineer, lordship, so that we can process with the pencil proposals of the petitioner, lordship.
No, you have to pass an order
In
in
fact,
terms of that inquiry report. Thereafter only.
in fact, he was asked to appear.
Why? Why is he being asked to appear? If he does not ask to appear, the orders of the court will remain.
Lordship, he has to come with some documents so that we can process the pencil proposals, lordship.
We are not concerned with the pension proposal. We are concerned with the conclusion
I
with
can
regard to
understand.
the inquiry.
I can understand.
Pass an order.
Lordship.
Whatever happens.
Lordship.
Mr. N. Upadhyay, Mr. Sharma, let him pass an order.
Lordship.
Yes, ma'am. But they had this submitted report 3/11/2023, and 1 year 7 months have been elapsed, no consequential report.
They conducted an inquiry in terms of the orders of this court. You did not participate in the inquiry.
Yes, my lord. But my another submission, my respectful son, the main point, my lord, that in compliance with the judgment, within 3 months, a mandatory period has been given.
Okay,
But
we understand. They'll have to pass an order.
In the event of failure to conduct the inquiry within 3 months, they will have to pay within 2 months from the date of the judgment, and pensionary pension benefits.
We'll see. We'll see. Mr.
I
N.
am entitled
Upadhyay,
to receive only gratuity amount, my lord, and regular monthly pension.
Mr. N. Upadhyay, on a counsel for the
And they have
petition,
committed wrong,
submits that
serious wrong in the inquiry wrong.
the respondents be granted a week's time. Submits that the matter be taken up, prays for an adjournment in the matter, and submits that the inquiry report having been received, the respondent authorities are contemplating to pass appropriate orders thereon. Also, registered to list this matter again on 28/7/2024, on which date the orders passed by the respondent authorities in pursuance to the inquiry held in the matter be placed on record.
Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary,
Your Lordship, kindly, your Lordship, last order, my 25/6. When we file the contempt petition, my lord, when they receive the
Lordship,
petition, appeal filed with condemnation, that has not been yet.
Yes.
The IA was filed, my lord, and that in the IA, my lord, the notice was issued, my lord, on 19/5/2025, my lord. So there was a vacation, my lord. That matter will be taken up shortly, my lord. The appeal, my lord. So, and my lord, therefore-
okay, whatever happens in the writ appeal, that will happen when it happens. But this order is being not complied with.
Sometime,
At
my
the
lord,
filing of an appeal, mere say, would per se would result in this contempt being kept pending
This
signed.
is the IF, the file before the appeal proper. We received the copy. And that was filed your lordship on 12/2/25. Only after I received the notice of contempt, just to my lord counter the DPA. Contempt petition.
Sometime maybe
Have you entered appearance in that?
No, not yet, just we have received.
they should enter, my lord. Some time may be given, my lord, because I'm handicapped today.
And what is this order? Nothing. It's only that you have to place the case of the petitioner before the SLC. And then take, why for that you are putting this citizen to trouble? If he is not entitled,
Yes.
get his case considered, issue an order. Mr. Chaudhary will take care of the rest.
My lord, some time may be given, man. My lord, take my instructions. Lord. I'm handicapped, my lord.
How long it will continue? It?
Sometime.
But Mr. H.R.H. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Assisted by Mr. M.H. Losko. Heard Mr. H.R.H. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M.H. Losko, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents. Mr. Fukan submits that he be granted a week's time as a last opportunity to complete his instructions in the matter. Prayer is, Mr. Chaudhary, however, expresses urgency in the matter. Full stop. Accordingly, this court accepts the prayer of Mr. A. Fukan and as a last chance grants per 1 week time to complete his instructions in the matter. Also registered to list this matter again on 30/7/2020. On that day, we'll see. And if not, we are drawing. If you can get a stay order, fine. Otherwise, we are drawing contempt. These small orders, we can't permit you to sit over it.
No.
Oblige.
Lordship, that is some communication with Lordship. Actually, in the year 2024, Lordship, his case was considered and rejected in the light of new office memorandum, Lordship.
My lord,
Due to sense of secretary and CSD.
Okay, give me that. I only want that.
my lord, on 19/2, my lord, on last 2 occasions, submission was made that the meeting.
We are not concerned with the submission. We are only concerned with the order. This order is of
2024, Lordship.
21/8/2023, right?
21/8/23. Copy was directed to be given to us.
Fine. It was not
When
given.
the matter.
It was not given. But if the fact is in existing fact, why should we?
No, my lord, will see the basis on which they have rejected it.
That I can't go into it. You see, that you'll have to challenge.
My lord, may I submit, my lord? The order,
When did you receive a copy of this order?
just now, my lord.
Oh, just now.
Direction was to be sent by email. There was a specific direction. Submissions are made before the court that the meetings are going to be held. And today on a back date later after, my lord, today 7-8 months have passed.
You will keep everything open for you.
My lord, but my submission may be, my lord, I have.
Need not be, because I am
My
only
lord.
on contempt. Contempt is between me and them. If I find that order, there is
May
substantial
I submit,
compliance.
my lord, but I may be allowed to submit, my lord.
You are not
because-
required.
May I, my lord?
You
Because-
have brought this
because,
violation
my
to
lord-
the notice.
My lord, the direction, my lord will for a moment, my lord, allow me to submit, my lord, paragraph 10 and 11 of the impugned judgment. That order is of 2023, my lord. This notification is of 24. This notification which, on the basis of which my case has been rejected, is of 89/24. These are subsequent development, my lord. The judgment which was passed by the learned single judge, my lord, that is of the year 23,
When did your father die?
21/8/23.
When
My
did your
father
father
died,
die?
my lord, 2002.
2.
My case
Then
was kept
today,
those
Devabrata,
aspects have been considered by the learned single judge.
2002, after 22 years, where is the question?
Those aspects have been considered by the.
We are
learned single
satisfied
judge.
with this order.
My lord, whether the delay aspect, my lord, questions cannot be gone into at this stage.
I will not go into.
But my lord.
Will not go into. We'll
Lord
see
will
whether
see-
there is
my lord
substantial
will see-
compliance.
My lord will see the direction passed by this court. The direction was to make my lord, to reconstitute the committee within an outer period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. The order is of
Okay,
23.
done. There is violation, so we'll draw up contempt.
And my lord, these are subsequent
We'll draw up
developments.
contempt. We will keep this matter pending for another 2-3 years. What will happen to you? Will it benefit you?
My lord,
We
this
can't
is
set
my-
aside,
my
we can't set
position, my
aside
lord.
this order today, Mr. Gupta.
My lord, these are subsequent developments. These 24.
That is why I am
notifications
saying.
Not
if-
applicable to me.
Okay, if that is not applicable, you make a challenge, we will consider it. That's all.
That is what has happened, my lord, because of non-compliance. Now, after, my lord, no,
Okay, establish that this is a backdated order. I'm giving you 1 week time. File an affidavit, establish that this is a backdated order.
my lord, there was a submission on record. There is
Fine.
a submission on record by the
Did you
council
hear
saying
what
that
she has started off with?
the instructions, the
Mr.
submissions are made.
Gupta, have you heard what she had started off with? She said that because of a communication gap, the order, the consideration on 18/11/24 by the principal secretary's office was not brought on record.
My lord, but there are two orders. My lord will see the
Yes.
orders. There are 2 dates on first date, submission was made, meeting is going to be held. Second date, my lord will see the order dated 28/2. Therein submission was made that the meeting is about to be held. There are 2 orders. My lord will just go through the 2 orders.
So what is this orders, Mr.? What are the submissions, madam?
Lordship, initially, when we asked for instruction regarding sitting of DLC meeting, new secretary new secretary at CSD Lordship, they do not know the order of minutes of the meeting, Lordship. They were not aware, Lordship. Therefore, they informed that they will hold the meeting. They wrote letter to the secretary. CSD Lordship to held a meeting. Then it has come to the knowledge of the secretary, and secretary has informed us, Lordship.
The direction was to, my lord, serve the copy on the email address. Specific direction was there. My lord, the aspect of delay, everything was taken into consideration by the learned single judge. My application for compassion appointment was not considered by the authorities. And the learned single judge has held that it was due to the delay and a lax on the part of the department who have not considered my application in time. Those factors were already considered, my lord.
Mr. Gupta.
And this is a 2024 notification.
Mr. Gupta, this judgment unfortunately does not take into the factor of Devobrata Tiwari. Decision of
The
Devobrata.
notification came in 24.
Devobrata Tiwari decision of Supreme Court. We can't go into that aspect. We can only see
whether that
we can only
be
see
examined in
whether
contempt.
there is a willful and deliberate violation. We find there is no willful and deliberate violation.
Well, they are taking note of it, notification
We will
of the year
permit
24.
we will permit you to present a challenge to this order, decision of the DLC. And you take all these points there, we are keeping it open to you.
But my lord, whether or not it is a contempt, my lord will see paragraph 11. My lord will read paragraph 11 for a moment. What was the specific direction? The petitioner shall produce a copy. My lord, I will read from 10, my lord, 10 and 11.
Okay. Mr. Gupta, you appear from this side also. You appear from this side also.
No, on the basis of
You
this-
appear from this side also.
Ma'am.
Whether all the orders wherein you had appeared as a contemner for the contemners were complied with within the period the court had directed. That is why the contempt. That is why the contempt. If that is the contempt, we'll have to look whether it is willful and deliberate. That's all.
Yes.
I find that this is not willful and deliberate. If you are aggrieved, you can carry it upon appeal. Heard Mr. H. Gupta, Learned Counsel
My
for
lord, I
the
am
petitioner.
placing reliance on one judgment also, my lord.
We are not considering.
My lord, one judgment I am placing reliance, my lord. That may also be recorded, then my lord may dismiss my case. My lord. My lord, this is a paragraph 31, my lord. 2002, 5 SCC, my lord, reliance was placed on that judgment.
Now, this is exactly what I was trying to project.
Yes. My lord, once there was a specific direction to consider
Fine.
my
We
case
will
within 2
say-
months, my lord, after 2 years, they are considering and they are relying on a subsequent.
You come
development.
back in the
Those was
appropriate,
subject
you
matter of
come
the
back in the
petition.
appropriate forum, Mr. Gupta, we will consider all these things. Heard Mr. H. Gupta, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. R.B. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the respondents.
Respondent number 1.
1. Full stop. Mr. The present contempt petition has been filed alleging violation of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 21/8/23 in WPC number 6713/2022. Also, although earlier when the matter was being considered, the learned counsel for the respondents had submitted that the case of the petitioner, it would be considered by the jurisdictional DLC when it is which was stated to be held on 19/2/2025. However, today, Ms. R.B. Bora has placed on record a minutes of the district level selection committee for BTC dated 18 meeting of the minutes of the meeting of the district level committee of BTC held on 18/11/2024. Full stop. A perusal of the said minutes would go to reveal that the case of the petitioner on consideration, the claim of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate grounds on consideration came to be rejected. Full stop. A perusal of the said minutes would go to reveal that the directions passed by this court has been substantially complied with. Full stop. Accordingly, this court does not find any deliberate and or willful violation of the directions passed here in the matter, and accordingly, is of the considered view that the present contempt petition need not be proceeded further. Full stop. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed. Notices issued are recalled. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to assign the minutes of the meeting of the district level selection committee of PTC. Minutes of the meeting dated 18/11/2024 by way of filing an appropriate application. A copy of the said minutes furnished by Ms. R.B. Bora is kept on record and marked as X. With the above observation, to close, Likishwar?
No, this copy was supplied to me today only.
Fine.
That may be recorded one because there was a direction, specific direction.
You take up this, please. Can they dispute that they had not given you a copy? Your copy was never marked to you in that copy you see.
No.
It was never marked to you. Mr. Gupta, we go through these things. Don't worry.
No.
It was never marked to you. So why should you? You can always take the plea.
Give them.
Okay, fine. But the counsel for the parties. So it is seen that the pleadings in the matter is complete. Accordingly, the writ petition stands admitted. Accordingly, admit the writ petition for hearing. Also, no formal notice, no formal notice is to be issued as all the respondents are represented. The registry to list this matter for hearing in the month of September 2025. R1 unserved.
No,
all notices have lordship, they have not lordship here, respondent number 1 and 4. Lordship, one communication has already been made by the office of the respondent number 1.
Till date, no AD card nor unsub notice has been received back from R1.
Yes, lordship, that is there, but there is an order in reference of the contempt case, lordship. They have
Where?
made, yes, this reference was made on 8/4/2025. Under secretary to the director in reference to this contempt case. That means they have received that order, notice of this case, lordship.
Okay. We'll not go into that.
But this is an unfortunate case, lordship. This petitioner has been dragged into this litigation, lordship, one after another. Lordship, in the first case, lordship, the matter was remanded to file an appeal against the rejection of the.
That you did it, you came back, this court has considered the matter directed for provincialization of
Yes.
affairs. Okay.
My lord, now,
In the, Mr. Let us formalize the thing. Heard Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Ms. S. Chutia, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 3. And Mr. A. Chalia, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2. Also, none has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4. Seen the office note dated 16/7/2025, which reveals that the service upon the respondent number 1 is not complete. Ms. S. Chutia submits that she would appear on behalf of the respondent number 1 also. Accordingly, respondent number 4 is served.
yes, that is.
Accordingly, service upon the respondents are complete. Ms. S. Chutia submits that she be granted a week's time to complete her to receive instructions in the matter from the respondent number 1. For prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 29. 28 or board is any 2902 is it? 30? 31/7/2025. You get your instructions 45 days, why it is not been done? Both from the director and the complete her instructions from the respondent number 1 and 3, no?
3.
And 3.
3, my lord, I have received, my lord, from 1, my lord.
3 you have received. What is the instruction?
My lord, they do not have their land, my lord. The
You
school-
pass an order in that connection then. If that is the position, pass an order.
My lord.
Because there is a positive mandamus here. We'll see. Why have you not filed the amended cost title?
Lordship, we have filed,
When?
but it's not tax, lordship.
No, when?
In the month of June, lordship, immediately after the order, lordship.
Mr. A.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the,
Lordship, my humble submission is that this case may be disposed of, but directing the SEBA to dispose my representation, lordship.
first, we'll have to formalize this.
Sorry, lordship.
Mr. A.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that you filed once more. That might have been misplaced somewhere.
Lordship.
Submits that he had filed the amended cost title in the month of June 2025 itself.
Yes.
So, however, on perusal of the records of the matter, the same is not found to be however, the same is not found to have been tagged along with the records of the case. Also, accordingly, Mr. Sharma submits that he would file the amended cost title by tomorrow, given 19/7/2025. Registry to list this matter again on 23/7/2025. 19, you file it tomorrow. 19. Or we'll have it on 24. We'll dispose of the matter. 24. I'm sorry, error had happened. Heard Mr. K. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, the present interlocutory application has been instituted for correction of a typographical error inadvertently occurring in the order dated 16/6/2025, in the order passed by this, order dated 16/6/2025, passed by this court in WPC number 3402/2023. Also, in paragraph 3 of the, in paragraph 2, paragraph 2 of page 2 of the said order, comma, the date of engagement of the petitioner by the managing committee of Jambari High Madrasa Dubri has been reflected as apostrophe 5/6/2017. However, the said date ought to have been 5/2/2007 apostrophe taken. Also, on perusal of the materials, on materials brought on record, this court is of the considered view that an inadvertent typographical error had occasioned in the order dated so and so, and the same would be required to be so corrected. Accordingly, the date 5/6/2017 apostrophe as occasioning in paragraph 2 of page 2 of the order dated 16/6/2025 is corrected, and the same would now be read as 5/05/02/2017. Also, the present order would also form part of the order dated 16/6/2025, and both the orders would be now construed together by the respondents. Also, with the above observations and the present interlocutory application stands disposed of. Mr. Gupta, you can have this.